Mint Mobile group texts often fail due to its reliance on T-Mobile's MMS infrastructure as an MVNO. As a mobile virtual network operator, Mint Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, which can cause compatibility issues. The core issue revolves around access point name settings. These must be correctly configured for MMS to work. Key APN values include the MMSC, MS proxy, and port. Incorrect settings prevent group messages. First, ensure your APN settings are correct. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, then Access Point Names. On iPhone, reset network settings to refresh APN configuration. Then, try toggling airplane mode, restarting your device, verifying MMS is enabled in your messaging app, and confirming data roaming is off. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, more advanced fixes include manually overriding APN settings on iPhones, which can sometimes be necessary after iOS updates. Consider switching to Google Messages on Android and enabling RCS, which bypasses MMS for group chats with other RCS users. RCS offers encryption and read receipts and is becoming more prevalent. Be aware of network congestion during high traffic periods, which can worsen MMS reliability. Mint Mobile's future likely involves full RCS support, potentially by 2026, pending T-Mobile upgrades. While MMS issues may persist for some time, the shift towards IP-based messaging solutions like VoLTE should eventually make MMS obsolete. If problems persist, contact Mint Mobile support, keeping in mind that a significant portion of their support tickets are related to MMS issues, particularly from iPhone users.